Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. So today's video, as titled, will be about the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I know that Nordstrom has enabled people to preview the sale, so I have looked through it. A lot of exciting things. So I wanted to share with you guys like tips and tricks and like things that I keep in mind personally when I'm going to go through it. I do have a few notes on things to keep in mind when looking through the sale, and I did pick out a few things that I want to share with you guys. And I also found some of the items that I already own are marked down, and I love those items. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this video, just please keep on watching. So since Nordstrom is a department store, I personally shop there for items that I want to invest in. Are sportswear, loungewear as well, because I do love wearing loungewear. Shoes, I do really like to invest in shoes. It's kind of something that my mom has told me, like having a cheap pair of shoes is never fun, and I really believe that. So Nordstrom has a ton of shoes that are good quality. Jewelry, I have been getting into jewelry recently. I do kind of want to invest in some jewelry pieces that are more low maintenance, so they're not gonna rust on me and they're higher quality. Beauty deals, so I would say if there are any brands or products that you love that Nordstrom is offering in a bundle, it's definitely a better value for what you're getting, so I definitely would recommend getting that. So I do have a few things that I do want to share with you guys. Oh, and I think my biggest tip would be, if you are interested in an item and you want to like try it on and touch it in person, I would say to just purchase it first, because things go out of stock so fast in this sale. Already some items that I want to share with you guys are already gone, which kind of sucks. So hopefully future me will edit this and get this up to you guys as soon as I can. But yeah, definitely if you're interested in any item, I would say purchase it first. Nordstrom has a really great return policy and free return shipping. But yeah, I would say definitely just purchase it first. At least you have the option to check it out rather than waiting later on to decide and then it being out of stock, which would really suck. So I did go through the categories of items that I do like to buy at Nordstrom, but I think lastly I would like to say, I think obviously a lot of us have biases towards certain brands. I think if you already love a certain brand, and also like if you already know your sizing in that, like Levi's jeans or UGG shoes, and you see something nice that's on sale from that brand, I would definitely say pick it up as well. So yeah, I think when you are previewing or viewing the sale, definitely go into the brands section and then just filter on the brands that you like. Check out what is available on sale from those brands. I think that's a really good way not to get overwhelmed or distracted when you're looking at the sale. So yeah. So now I'm going to share the items that I personally picked out and hopefully that I will get my hands on. So sadly, I'll just be including screenshots because I don't actually have the items that I want to buy yet, obviously. So first I'm going to start off with jewelry. If you guys do follow me and follow my channel, you guys do know that I basically almost always wear this necklace, and I kind of want to get a nicer quality gold necklace. So I did pick out a few items from Adina's Jewels and Argento Vivo. So I'll just throw it up on the screen now. So this necklace is like a choker necklace, and it has this really cute hanging design. So if I can get my hands on this one, I think it would be a really nice layering piece. And then I also found this chain one. It's like a chain right in the front, and it's also really cute, and it's gold. It does sit a little lower, so I do think I could like stack them if I wanted to. I'm also interested in a pair of hoop earrings. They're like sterling silver, so I think they're like a better quality. I already got pretty into wearing hoop earrings. Like I have a lot of like costume jewelry. I'm really into them now. It kind of took me a while to get used to wearing them, and I'm really glad that I did that. So now I know I'm ready to like invest in a nicer pair. So that's what I have for jewelry. Definitely nicer pieces, and I'm really excited. So the next category I want to talk about are shoes. I did find a pair of shoes that I love that are currently marked down. So I have them already. So they are the Adidas Stan Smith in all white. They're like a really cute casual shoe. They go with everything. This is actually like I think my third, sad to say, but it's my third pair. So this pair of shoes is 5.5. I'm typically at 6.5. So go down a full size for Adidas Stan Smith sneakers. So speaking about white sneakers, I came across these Steve Madden sneakers. They are the Alexander Wang sneaker dupe. So if you guys are interested in that one and you want to try out like a dupe or get the same look for less, definitely check out this Steve Madden pair. They look like exactly like it, so I will link it down below. And then for UGG, I love UGG. They're just so comfy. Where I live, it does get cold. We do get winter and it's super cold. I have my regular Uggs, and I think I've kind of expanded to get some slippers. I did see some really cute slippers with the fuzziness on the outside, and I'm really into those, so I will include it here. This one is like the full slipper one. I would say get it in whatever the full size up is, because I think slippers only come in full sizes. So because I'm 6.5, I would get 7, because I kind of want more room in like a home slipper, and I do like kind of just slide it on, slide it off. And then they have like a regular like slide version with the fur on it as well, and that one's super cute as well. I haven't decided which one I like yet, so yeah, definitely check out the brands that you're interested in. So next is Nike. I've been looking for like a nicer running shoe that looks cute, so I did come across the Air Max 270, and it's super cute. It comes in this black color, but also it comes in this terracotta, like a nude color. I haven't decided what color I'm gonna get, but I'm definitely going to pick these up and test them out. They have like that really cute bubble at the bottom too, so I don't know, I think it's like really cute, and it's marked down. Another running shoe option that I might try out is the Flyknit, also by Nike. So this is the Flyknit 2 running shoe. It's all white. I think I like it because it doesn't have any laces, and it looks super cute and modern, and it's just like a slip-on. So I'm gonna pick that one up if it's still available when the sale comes around for me. So like I said, I almost always get my shoes from Nordstrom, I think because they have a lot of great retailers and stuff like that. So definitely check out Nordstrom for shoes. So this pair is from Vince Camuto. I got it last year. They have a ton of really cute booties and boots and everything on sale. I would say invest in boots just because they're so classic, and I don't know, I'm just kind of iffy about like having uncomfortable feet and like stuff like that. So I did link some shoes that I like below. I'll also include some screenshots here. So yeah, with fall coming and winter coming, I did want to check out some booties. These I got last year, so I'm still looking forward to wearing them, and they're super cute, and they go with a lot of items in my wardrobe. I'll try to link the ones that I just showed you down below, but I'll also include some other options that I also like. So I came across this pair from Jeffrey Campbell. I think they're kind of like a Chelsea boot. They're super cute. They look really expensive, I think, just because of like the style of it. So I'm super interested in picking up this one. It comes in brown and it comes in black. So next I want to talk about sportswear. I really believe in like investing in your pants for sportswear, just because you're doing so much activity in them and you really want them to last and work for you and also suck you in and look flattering. So basically there's a lot of criteria to check for leggings for me. So I would say really nice Lululemon dupe is Zella. So this is the Zella Live-In high-waisted legging. It is oh my god, it fits in the frame. It is an exact dupe for the Lululemon one. I have 2 pairs of them. These are super great. If anything, they are thicker and they do not do the little pilling thing that Lululemon is known to do. It even has a pocket right on the outside. I know Lululemon's is kind of like inside the band. This one goes super high. It hides my belly button, and I really like that. It really sucks you in. I think if you want it to suck you in, get your normal size of leggings, which mine is extra small. And if you want it to be a little more comfortable on you, I would say go a size up, which is a small for me. Typically, I do have extra small just because I want it to suck me in, but maybe if you're wearing it more casually, like for hikes and stuff, get a size up so you have more comfort. Yeah, this one's super cute. It goes super high-waisted. It has this little design in the back, if you guys can see, with their little logo, so it's super cute. They have multiple colors that are on sale. I think there's like a moon purple or purple moon, and then there's like a gray color, so I think I'm gonna try to pick up those because I already have the black one. Again, it's on sale, so definitely pick it up. I picked these up retail and I still love them. So yeah, they're definitely much cheaper than the Lululemon ones. So if you've kind of wanted those, or you wanted like a really nice high-waisted legging that is high quality, I definitely recommend Zella. And if you guys already like Zella, again, just filter on the brand that you like and definitely check out what they have available. And I also saw that Zella has like a cropped version on sale as well, so if that one's still available in my size, I'll definitely pick up that one as well. Okay, then I want to go into loungewear. I love loungewear. I find almost any excuse to wear loungewear, and also because it's getting colder, I definitely have more opportunities to wear it. So I definitely want to pick up some nice loungewear from Nordstrom that they carry. I did come across this brand called Circle X, and I saw their jogger sweatpants, and they look like an exact dupe for these Brandy Melville sweatpants that I have. So you best believe I'm gonna pick them up in every single color that they have available. They have pockets as well, and they also have a cute little logo at the bottom. So these are the ones that I have from Brandy Melville. They're super cute. They're so flattering on. So unfortunately, I do know that Brandy Melville is one size fits most, and of course that's not everyone, that's not inclusive. So I did find this one and I'm super excited about it. So if you're interested in picking up like a really cute casual jogger sweatpants, definitely check out Circle X. It looks like an exact dupe on the model for these really popular Brandy Melville sweatpants. So I will be picking those up. It comes in this exact gray color, and it comes in like this nudie fog color, so super cute. Can't wait to get my hands on those. And then I wanted to get some branded versions of like loungewear, so I found some versions from Nike. They have this zip one in black and gray. I'm gonna try to pick those up. Again, I'm gonna size up so it looks like loose and cute. I think it's like a little bit cropped too, so it's super cute from Nike. So if I can get my hands on that one, I'll be really happy. Then they have these like palazzo, super straight legs, a little bit flared out, I think, like sweatpants, and those look super cool. So I think I'm gonna try to pick it out in a matching color from the tops that I can find on Nordstrom as well. And then finally, I found like a crew neck that's super cute as well. I think it's sold out in a lot of colors, so hopefully if I get my hands on it, I'll be super happy. And they also have like Adidas and Champion on sale as well, so definitely check those out if you like those brands. And then lastly, for beauty, I found some items that are marked down that I already have that I love. A lot of beauty items don't ever really go on sale, so I definitely think that this is a good time to pick up some items that you've been wanting to try out. I did find this Jo Malone set that's on sale, so definitely if they have a scent that you like or that you've been wanting to try, definitely pick it up because it is on sale. I'll put my favorite scent here that I already own. I'm too lazy to get up and get it, but it's one of my favorite scents. I love it, and yeah, I have a really big bottle of it, so I don't think I'm ever gonna finish it anytime soon. But then lastly is this body wash from Kiehl's. It's in grapefruit, and it's like a super big jug, so I think I'm gonna try to pick it up. I know Kiehl's is a great brand, and I love the scent grapefruit, so I'm definitely gonna pick this up. Yeah, I think that's everything. I'm gonna definitely try to get my hands on all of the things that I want to try on. I hope this video was useful for you guys. I know that you guys do like to see what I pick up and stuff, so I thought I would go ahead and share that with you guys. Definitely let me know if you guys plan on getting anything from Nordstrom. I'll definitely have to check it out as well. Let's hope and pray that the things that we want are on sale by the time we can get to them. And that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!